Today we're all making.
Okay, start again right now.
Hi, world math. Today we're only making edible chocolate Play-Doh.
Edible chocolate Play-Doh.
Condensed milk.
Yep, we need 14 ounces of condensed milk, a third a cup of cornstarch,
and then cocoa powder.
Yep, tablespoon of cocoa powder.
And then Hershey's chocolate bars.
Hershey's chocolate bars. Okay, so we're gonna put them all in this pan and we're gonna cook them down.
Start with all. Do we do all of this?
Yep. So you're gonna pour in the milk.
I'm trying to write my name with it. It's a little bit hard. Like my name.
You can practice your letters at the same time. A.
I am.
All right.
I'm gonna write my last name. I. A. S. E.
Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, let's set that aside. Pour in your cornstarch.
All of it, right?
Yep, put it all in. Okay, now put in your cocoa powder. And now put in your chocolate bars. You can kind of break them up if you want to so that they melt quicker.
Okay. There are many Hershey's bars.
We're using 2 regular size Hershey bars, but you can also use a king size Hershey bar.
Yep.
If you want to just use one. This looks good.
It was too hard for my hand to do it. There we go. Perfect. I gotta break them up. Boom, boom. Boom.
Oh, and one for snack con. Uh-oh. 5-second rule. Ew. You better save some of them instead of eating them all.
Yeah,
Otherwise your Play-Doh's not going to taste very good. It'll still probably taste good. Okay, so now you need to get an adult. I'm your adult. And we're going to turn on the stove. And we can grab a spatula here.
No, mix it, stir it around.
Yep, stir it up.
Can I use this one?
Yeah, you can use a bigger one.
Because I'm afraid I might get burned by that.
Okay. Yep, mix it up gently.
Mix. I'm perfect at doing this. You don't want to do it. You don't want to do it too fast, right, Mom?
No, you don't want to do it too fast because you don't want to lose your ingredients.
Bringing up chocolate bars here, but
it
smells so good.
Does smell good. Yum.
I want to eat this right now, but I can't.
Are you going to be able to play with the Play-Doh, or are you just going to eat it all?
I'm gonna play with it. I'm definitely gonna play with it, yo.
So you just want to melt it down until all the chocolate's melting. So look at that. And if it's too loose after you make it up, you can add more cornstarch into it, and then that'll make it, because we kind of want it to start to go to where it goes into like a ball.
Yep, all the chocolate bars are melted.
Okay, mix it up good.
Here's the final mixes. There we go, that's all.
Yep, get it all mixed up. We're gonna add just a smidge more of cornstarch to it over here, and that will just help it, the consistency just a little bit. So you want to start with that 1/3 cup, but then you can just add in a little bit more as you go. Okay.
Can you eat cornstarch?
Yeah, you can eat it. I mean, it doesn't taste like anything, but you use it in baking and cooking all the time. But it doesn't taste very good on its own. Okay, mix that in.
Well, our mixing.
We are going to, but we got everything cooked in there and everything mixed in nice and smooth. So now we're going to turn the heat off and we are going to let this set for 30 minutes to cool down.
Here you go, Mom.
So we'll see you in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Go.
Well, Matt, the Play-Doh's ready? Now, let's taste it.
All right, tastes good. Okay, so that's what it looks like after it's cooled. Okay, so take your spatula and spoon it out.
I'll grab everything.
Yep, you can use your hands, that's fine. And then put it onto the...
I might actually see the spatula.
Yeah.
Put it right in the silicone?
Yep, put it in there, and then that will help to keep it so it's not so sticky. And knead it all together. Squish it around. There you go.
Guys, now we added some flour, and now I'm right now going to put some on it before I knead it.
Yeah, we put lots of flour on there to keep it not from getting sticky, and then knead the flour squish the flour into the Play-Doh, and then it should be ready to sculpt.
Just like this, right, Mom?
Yep. Now pick it up and kind of fold it together. Fold the Play-Doh in. There you go.
I'm gonna make myself a stand for my arm. Perfectly. Now I'm going to do this. Oh no.
I know, it's stuck to your fingers. What do you do?
Can you try this in the farm?
Take a bite. Is it good? Do you want to add a little bit more flour? So you can just keep adding flour until you get it to the consistency that you want it to be, because it's going to be a little sticky. So you just keep working the flour in, and then it'll just be more Play-Doh-like.
That's so slow.
You're not going to have any to sculpt. You're going to eat it all.
No.
And you're making a big mess with the flour.
It's okay. Right?
That's all right. What's it feel like? Oh yeah, it just feels like Play-Doh.
You want to take a bite?
I don't know, maybe I'll take a bite. Feels like Play-Doh. You can sculpt it and squish it. Let's taste it. Mmm. Not bad.
Have some more flour.
Got a lot of flour on there. You just gotta
Put a
use
bunch.
it.
Put a bunch. Yeah, it's a bunch. Put it all right there.
And make it into a ball, and that'll be easier to get it all kneaded
I can't.
together.
Put it in a ball. Oh, it's sort of working. Sort of. And then get some here, right here, right here, right here.